Welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Guides. Hello, and welcome to our video on low competition business ideas to make money online in 2023. The internet has opened up endless possibilities for entrepreneurs, and it's never been easier to start a business and make money online. However, with so many people trying to do the same thing, it can be tough to stand out and find success. That's why today, we're going to be discussing some low-competition business ideas that you can use to start making money online in 2023. First, let's talk about niche e-commerce. One of the best ways to get started in e-commerce is by finding a niche that isn't already saturated with big players. For example, instead of starting a general clothing store, you could focus on a specific style or a specific type of clothing, such as sustainable fashion or plus-size clothing. By focusing on a niche, you'll be able to stand out and attract a dedicated customer base that is passionate about what you're selling. You can start a niche e-commerce store by dropshipping products from other companies, which means you don't have to hold any inventory, or you can create your own products and sell them directly to customers. Either way, by focusing on a niche, you'll be able to stand out and attract a dedicated customer base. Another great idea for a low-competition business is starting a YouTube channel. YouTube is one of the most popular platforms on the internet, but not everyone is cut out to be a content creator. If you're passionate about a specific topic and have the ability to create engaging content, starting a YouTube channel can be a great way to make money online. You can monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Whether you're interested in cooking, beauty, gaming, or anything else, there's a niche for you on YouTube. The key is to find a niche that you're passionate about and create content that will resonate with your audience. Next, let's talk about starting an online course or coaching business. With the rise of online education, there has never been a better time to start teaching others what you know. Whether you're an expert in a specific field or have a unique skill set, you can create an online course or offer coaching services to help others achieve their goals. This is a low-competition business idea because you can focus on a specific niche, and you're providing a valuable service that others are willing to pay for. There are various platforms you can use to create and sell your course, such as Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable, and you can also use social media platforms like Facebook and LinkedIn to promote your course. Lastly, let's talk about starting a service business. Service businesses are a great way to make money online because they don't require a lot of upfront investment. Whether you're a freelance writer, a virtual assistant, or a graphic designer, you can offer your services to businesses and entrepreneurs who need help with specific tasks. This is a low-competition business idea because you can focus on a specific niche and offer a unique skill set that others don't have. You can use platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer to find clients and start building a reputation as a service provider. These are just a few low-competition business ideas that you can use to make money online in 2023. Remember, the key to success is to focus on a specific niche and offer something that is unique and valuable. And it's also important to have a clear business plan and set realistic goals for yourself. With the right idea and a little bit of hard work, you can turn your dream of starting a business into a reality. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more amazing content.